Hello, welcome to Smile JV. This is Brendan. Today we're looking at a BMW. This is an R grade, and I'm going to give you an example of inner panel repair traces. That's what they're saying on the auction sheet. And they're also saying that the front right fender has been replaced. Now there's a little bit of misalignment there. The bonnet's just lifted up so you won't see it. But I just wanted to show you what inner panel repair traces mean. So I might just turn the engine off so you can hear me. So this is the what they call the inner panel around here. You can see that is all fresh sealant that runs all down. If I touch that, it's quite it's soft. That is all very soft. You can see here that's all soft, and that's the original sealant, which is hard, and so that bit's soft. So that's an inner panel repair trace. Now the other thing I've noticed with this, you might be able to see down there where the side member meets the inner panel, you can see it's split. So that requires repair. That side member in there has got a crack. You can probably just try and get it there in the camera. So that's an example of an inner panel repair trace. This is not a very good repair, I think. Usually they're harder to find than that. So it was a good example for this video. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.